Hello, and you're all very welcome to this, the first in a new series of traditional Irish music programmes. We're here in what could aptly be described the home of traditional music here in Dublin, in Cownarras, Coltis, Kiltory Éireann, in Monkstown in South County Dublin. My name is Iarla Leonard, and I come from Cooley in West Cork. And in this series we'll be listening to the very best of traditional music from all corners of the country, and from places as far away as, believe it or not, Miami and Chicago too. Just playing us in there for the start of the series, we had, to my left here, Michael Russell, Noel Hill, Madonna Hearn and James Cullinan. Very fine music indeed. But to start us off this evening, I'd like you to give a very warm welcome to our first guest this evening, all the way from Cooraclare in County Clare and late of Sutton in Dublin, when he's not, of course, touring America. Please welcome Noel Hill. Welcome to the programme, Noel.
Thanks, Iarla. I'm going to play two reels for you, and I've chosen an instrument tonight, a concertina here, which is a very old instrument. It was made in the 1860s and made by a man called Jeffries. And it has a very unusual, very special kind of tone. It's in an unusual key, first of all, and it's even though it's not too easy played, it has that special tone.
What age did you say it was again?
Well, actually, it was made in the mid-1860s, around tea time, I believe. At least that's what I told a presenter in America one time. But it's a very special concertina. I'm going to play two reels. The first one is very aptly suited for the concertina. It's called the Wind That Shakes the Barley, very much played around County Clare. And the second tune is the Trip to Douro. So two reels.
Lovely.